Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Rabia Ikram Bharti from the University of Faisalabad, and my topic of discussion is orbital cellulitis. Orbital cellulitis is inflammation of cell in orbit. It is prolonged inflammation of the cell in orbit, serious eye condition that can endanger the vision and life as well. Blood supply increases to that area and chemosis starts. Tissue fluid increases. Now we will move toward the etiology of orbital cellulitis. Any sex and age can be affected. Mostly it is unilateral, maybe due to infection from the neighbor parts like lips, nose, and teeth, sinuses, etc. Penetrating injury of eye with or without retention of the foreign body is a major cause. May occur in case of panophthalmitis, and metastasis from septicemia may be a very great reason. Orbital septum is attached to orbital rim. It is less life-threatening, and there may be history of trauma. Lamina propria may easily ruptured with infection that is spread through the nasal walls. And the symptoms include severe eye pain, diplopia, inability to open the eyes due to swelling of lids, conjunctiva as well. High grade fever, mostly it is 102 degree Fahrenheit, rigors, chills, diplopia due to impaired vision, and painful ophthalmoplegia is a very big reason of orbital cellulitis. Now I will discuss the signs of orbital cerebral signs are majorly seen due to central nervous system involvement, and its complications include abscess formation. Panophthalmitis is a very serious condition, and pleural meningitis and cerebral abscess may occur occasionally. Thrombosis of cavernous sinus can even cause death of that person. Now we will move toward the treatment of orbital cellulitis. Hot compressor will prescribe firstly to relieve pain and to prevent stasis, and modern broad spectrum antibiotic will be prescribed in high dose, and painkillers, analgesics, and inflammatory drugs will be prescribed. And in case of abscess removal will be done promptly, and we will mostly prescribe penicillin in this case. But if anybody has infection and allergic reactions to penicillin, then we will prescribe them cephalosporin and Xenocaine. Decongestant drugs or drops will be given. It is nasal decongestant, and it will be given in form of nasal sprays, decongestant sprays or drops. And any question? Thank you so much.